Hello, friends. Very good afternoon to all of you. Today, we are going to discuss some important words which is used to describe a professional ability. As you know, that in our daily life, we come across so many people as we are in some business, we have some staff. They are employees and employers, and for the employers, it is also useful to give certain titles to their employees, and that is very important in any professional thing. So let's start these words. You must know that there are certain words which can be used for the staff while we are giving any title to them. So let's discuss. The first word is efficient. एफिशिएंट वो होते हैं दैट वर्क इन अ वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड कॉम्पिटिटेंट वे, जो बहुत ही अच्छे से वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्डली काम करते हैं. यू कम अक्रॉस दोज पीपल जो बहुत जल्दबाजी में हसल बसल करते हैं एंड दे ऑलवेज गो टू अ वेरी मैसी वर्क. सो दे आर इनएफिशिएंट, बट दोज पीपल हु डू अ वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टास्क, वेदर इट इज़ दे आर इन द किचन और वेदर दे आर इन एनी बिजनेस इंस्टीट्यूशन, सो for them we can use the word efficient. Then resourceful. Resourceful is the ability to find quick and clever ways to overcome difficulties. Do you know that the term resource means anything which can be which have some knowledge, you have some resource. हम इसको हम ये कह सकते हैं कि इट कम्स फ्रॉम अ वर्ड दैट इज़ अ सोर्स. अगर आपके पास किसी चीज़ का कोई सोर्स है, दैट इज़ द रिसोर्स. सो रिसोर्सफुल मीन्स यू हैव सर्टेन एबिलिटी कि आप फटाफट से कोई रास्ता निकाल के किसी भी डिफ़िकल्टी को ओवरकम कर सकते हैं. ही मेंटेन्ड हर रेपुटेशन फॉर बीइंग अ रिसोर्सफुल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. क्योंकि वो एक रिसोर्सफुल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर है, तो ही इज़ एबल टू मेंटेन हर रेपुटेशन बिकॉज ही हैज़ सो मैनी आइडियाज़. सो इन द सेम वे फॉर दैट person you can use he is ingenious. Genius and ingenious. Genius means intelligent and ingenious means resourceful. It means he is able to get every idea every second to solve any problem, any trouble he face in his life. Similarly, you can also call as the person who has the imaginative power very stronger than the others. He can mend his ways. So imaginative can be the another term used for the resourceful. And third is quick-witted. Any person which is who is having the wit. Wit means the cleverness. So he can be called as quick-witted or resourceful. Then you know that whenever we are going to the IELTS examination or TOEFL examination or PTE courses, and when we are finding a job at an international level, they usually ask us about the English level we have, about the skills we have. So if the person is a competent or skilled in using something, it means not only the English, even it can be asked for your computer knowledge, your IT level, IT skills, or anything, any job in which you are going to give an interview. They can ask you the level of skill you have. द प्रोफिशेंट लेवल इज़ दैट लेवल जिसमें आपको वो काम बहुत अच्छे से करने आता है. सो यू कैन से दैट कॉम्पिटेंट और स्किल्ड इन डूइंग और यूजिंग समथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम प्रोफिशेंट एट माई जॉब. माई जॉब इज़ टू टीच अदर्स एंड आई एम प्रोफिशेंट टू डू दैट. सो प्रोफिशेंसी मीन्स द पर्सन इज़ प्रॉपरली बी एबल टू do that task in which he is efficient. There are certain other terms also you can use in place of proficient. ऐसे persons जिनमें बहुत अच्छे से skills है अपने काम को करने की, they are called as skilled, skillful, expert, experienced and practiced. So practiced, experienced, ये words normally हम use करते हैं. So you can use proficient, skilled and skillful for that. These are the words of the day apart from experienced and practiced. Our main goal is to enhance your vocabulary because you can go in every part of the world. There is a use of English, and English without doing the vocabulary practice, without using the words which we have and learn them according to their meaning and using them in your life, you can't do it or practice it alone. So I can suggest you the words which I am discussing you in the video. You should learn and use these words in your daily life. For example, next one is competent. Competent means efficient and capable. If you are capable to do something and efficiently, as I have told you, आपकी आस पास कोई भी ऐसा पर्सन है जो अपने काम को बहुत ही स्किलफुली और अच्छे तरीके से करता है, मैसी नहीं करता है, मैसी मीन्स गंद नहीं फैलाता है बहुत. फॉर एग्जाम्पल योर मॉम, इफ़ योर मदर इज़ कुकिंग इन द किचन एंड शी इज़ डूइंग her work efficiently, like cutting off the vegetables, firstly washing them, then cutting them, and then clearing all the mess from the working table, so that is called as efficient. So any person who can do the work is capable and who can do the work properly is efficient. ऐसा पर्सन जो दोनों का मिक्सचर है, जिसके अंदर कैपेबिलिटी भी है कुकिंग करने की फॉर एग्जांपल, और उसको सही से करने की फॉर एग्जांपल एफिशिएंट, इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन को हम कहते हैं कॉम्पिटेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल एन इनफाइनाइटली कॉम्पिटेंट मदर ऑफ 3 बच्चों की मदर. So infinitely competent here refers to the efficient and capable mother of the 3. 3 here refers to 3 children. Now apart from this word competent, you can also use the word proficient. So proficient and competent, they can be synonymously used. Apart from this, you can also use the word adroit, accomplished and skillful. I will suggest you that you should use those words which are not commonly used, that will enhance your vocabulary. For example, where you have to use the proficient word, you can effectively use competent there or adroit. Now you know that, you must know that where to use these words. If you are using these words with your parents, you should use proficient so that they can learn the good English words. But if you are talking to your friend, then you can use even more higher words, even more good words apart from the easy words. So the difficult word for the competent might be adroit, adept and accomplished. The next word is average. All of you know that average means the amount or a standard level or rate regarded as usual or ordinary. For example, that average means that he is an average student in our class. Average means it's normal, neither too low nor too हाई. सो बहुत कम या ज़्यादा ना हो और मिडल में जो बच्चा सर्वाइव करता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज एवरेज. सो फॉर द एवरेज यू कैन से ही इज़ अ नॉर्मल scorer, he is a usual scorer, he is an ordinary scorer, he is a general scorer, generally speaking or in general. So anything which is normal, which is usual and general, that neither too low nor too high, you can use it as a average worker. Even in your company, if you are having certain workers who cannot do extra work or neither to less nor to more, so you can use that he is an average worker. ये normal काम करता है, extra hours नहीं लगाता है, he is an average worker. Then there is a term masterly. Masterly has been derived from the word that is master. And you know that anything, whether it is a headmaster, whether it is a tailor master, you know that all the main you can say those who sew the suits in the boutiques, they're called as masters. Why they're called masters? Because they are having a great skill to cut and sew the piece in a very efficient manner. So those who show great skills, they can be called as masterly. And you can also use the term expert for them, masterful, skillful, deft, adroit and skilled. Remember, these words should be properly pronounced, otherwise they will lose their vigor. So you should use there is a term also similar to deaf. Deaf also means deaf and dumb in category. Okay, so you should use this word properly, deft, adroit और skilled. So ये words उनके लिए यूज़ होते हैं जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा masterly हैं अपने concepts में, masterly हैं अपनी skills में. Then there is a word capable and incapable. I think this word is very common, but there is a meaning and there are also certain words which can replace this word. For example, if a person is able to do something, he is called as capable. लेकिन अगर कोई अपना काम नहीं कर सकता properly, तो he is incapable in doing this thing. So the pilot may become incapable from the lack of oxygen. शायद pilot oxygen की कमी से incapable हो गया, means he was not able to manage the aeroplane. Now the similar words which can be used for incapable are helpless, powerless, impotent. What I think would be a good word is important or incapacitated. So incapacitated means in जिसके आगे भी लग जाता है, it means the opposite of the same word. In means lack of something. So here incapacitated means the lacking the capacity of doing something. अगर हम में किसी काम करने की क्षमता नहीं है तो we can call them incapacitated or helpless or powerless workers. Then there is a word which is called as talented. All of you know this word very properly, but apart from this word, talented means a natural aptitude. It is an inborn thing, जिससे आप पैदा हुए हैं या आपके अंदर ऑलरेडी है और आप उसको थोड़ा सा एनहांस करते हैं. सो यू कैन कॉल देम दोज पीपल अराउंड यू जिनको कुछ भी सिखाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी और उन्होंने कोई स्किल एक्वायर कर ली और वो एक इनबॉर्न स्किल है जो किसी ने उन्हें नहीं समझाई. यू कैन कॉल देम एज टैलेंटेड, गिफ्टेड, skilled, accomplished, brilliant or expert. What I think you should use is gifted. So talented and gifted are these two words. Then there is experienced and inexperienced. You will notice in each and every word that there are certain words which are repetitive. For example, if the person is having skill and knowledge, you can use knowledgeable, skillful, skilled. We are repeating all these words again and again so that you can learn them efficiently. Then there is a word adroit जो हम अभी अभी पढ़ के आ रहे हैं, accomplish जो हम अभी अभी पढ़ के आ रहे हैं, adept भी we have already done this word. So you can also used in place of that. Experienced की जगह आप लिख सकते हैं adroit. He is an adroit worker. He is adept worker. He is a skillful worker. He is a knowledgeable worker. So experienced and inexperienced are quite opposite and they can be used like this. Then there is a word improving. Now in any business organization or in any school institute or any educational institute, you can say there are certain staff which is improving, or there are certain people who are improving. Even in our class there are so many students who are improving. So you can say this word in different manner. For example, that he is refining. You know that refined oil, why it is called as refined oil? Because when it is raw and taken from the seeds, it is not so fine, it is pured. And in this case of purity, when levels of purity को वो cross करता है, then it become refined oil, which means it has crossed all the barriers and improved a lot. So that is called as refined. And the person who is improving, you can use he is refining, he is enhancing his skills, he is upgrading, he is ameliorating, he is doing better. So for the improvement, for the improving stuff, you can use ameliorate or upgrade or refine, which I sounds the better words in place of using improving. Then there is raw. Raw means anything which is raw, which is not cooked actually. But here, if it is used in context of your professional ability, raw means the person who is fresher, who is tender, who is abraded. It means the person who is lacking the experience and he is just joining any institution or anything. So कोई भी आपके पास अगर वर्कर आता है जो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है and he is new, you can say he is raw. And that sounds better अगर आप इसे यूज़ करते हैं. नॉर्मली पीपल यूज़ टू से नया नया आया है, फ्रेशर है, राइट? तो यू कैन से बाय सेइंग दिस ही इज़ एब्रेडेड, ही इज़ रॉ. अगर आप ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ कर सकते, यू कैन सिंपली से ही इज़ रॉ. Then there is a word that is degenerated. The person who is going down and downgrading himself, declining in every skill, either it is physically, mentally or morally, तो उसे हम degenerate कहते हैं. And for that you can also use he is deteriorating his skills, he is lapsing in skills, he is regressing in skills, he is becoming retrogress. So the person जिसकी स्किल्स डाउन जा रही हैं, जिसकी क्वालिटी डाउन जा रही है, यू कैन से रेट्रोग्रेस, डिक्लाइन और रिग्रेस फॉर द वर्ड degenerated skills. Then there is enthusiastic. It is a term which is used everywhere, that the person should be enthusiastic in which he he is doing the work. For example, having and showing intense and eager enjoyment or interest or approval. अगर आप किसी चीज़ को बहुत ही इंटेंस enjoyment, इंटरेस्ट या अप्रूवल के साथ करते हैं. enjoyment means you are enjoying that thing. interest, it means you are developing interest in that particular thing. It means you loving that thing and you want to know about that thing. And approval means if your mind approves that thing. So the person who is doing all these things at the same time and then doing his work, he is said to be enthusiastic. And for that you can also use avid, ardent, fervent and passionate. And as you know that the commonly used term for the enthusiastic is enthusiastic itself as well as passionate. So you can also say that he is very eager to do this thing. He is very ardent to teach. He is very fervent to take a lecture in the class. So any person who is enthusiastic, he can use these three good words, either eager, ardent or fervent. देन देर इज़ अ वर्ड कीन. एज यू नो अभी अभी हमने ये वर्ड किया है, एंथुजियास्टिक ही कीन को कहते हैं. दैट इज़ हैविंग और शोइंग ईगरनेस और एंथुजियाज्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ कीन गार्डनर. द सिमिलर टर्म यूज फॉर इट इज़ एंक्शियस. इम्पेशेंट मीन्स कि किसी को सब्र नहीं है कोई काम करने का, वो जल्दी से वो काम करना चाहता है. सो इम्पेशेंट, डिटरमाइंड, डिज़ायरस, लॉन्गिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव बिन लॉन्गिंग फॉर दिस डे व्हेन आई मीट यू. And similarly, eager is the same term which can be used in place of keen. So keen is a very good word. Apart from this, you can use anxious and longing. Then there is a word lively. Lively itself means living condition or live condition. It's full of life and energy and active and outgoing. So for example, a lively and uninhibited girl. Lively here refers to so energetic, vigorous, dynamic and animated. Energetic means full of energy and anything which is full of energy is called as active. आप उस person के लिए active use कर सकते हैं जो आप हमेशा energy से full देखते हैं, और उस person के लिए passive use कर सकते हैं who is lacking all the energy and being lazy all the time. Then there is a word which is called as animated. Animated itself refers to the lively creation. As you know that there are so many animated videos in the internet. So animated means putting life into the inanimate objects. अगर आप non living things में भी life को जनरेट कर सकते हो. आप देखते हो एनिमेशन वीडियोज़ में क्या होता है, दैट देर आर नॉन लिविंग कार्टून्स जिनके अंदर लाइफ भर के उनको एक्टिव कर देते हैं, सो लाइवली बना देते हैं. सो लाइवली को हम वी कैन कॉल इट ऑल्सो एज एनिमेटेड. बट इन माई डिक्शनरी द गुड वर्ड्स आर विग्रस, एनर्जेटिक, डायनामिक एंड एनिमेटेड. फॉर दैट यू कैन यूज़ लाइवली. Then there is enterprising. You might have seen this word in the CV or resume. Having or showing initiative and resourcefulness. It means the person who is ready to start something, to initiate something, उसकी responsibility लेता है, that is called as enterprising. And he must have certain resources also. It means he is having knowledge की how to solve that problem immediately. वो एकदम से hang नहीं हो जाए किसी problem में. That person is called as enterprising. For example, some enterprising teachers have started their own recycling programs. कुछ टीचर्स ने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि वो अपने रिसाइकलिंग प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो दैट पर्सन इज़ कॉल्ड एंटरप्राइजिंग, जो किसी चीज़ की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले और प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करे. देखिए इसी के लिए ये वर्ड यूज़ किया गया. अगेन द सिमिलर वर्ड फॉर दैट इज़ रिसोर्सफुल, इमेजिनेटिव, क्योंकि उन्होंने इमेजिन किया इसीलिए उन्होंने कोई काम किया. इन्वेंटिव, बिकॉज उन्होंने कुछ नई चीज़ की शुरुआत की. एंड क्रिएटिव, बिकॉज दे हैव क्रिएटेड अ गुड थिंग. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ imaginative, resourceful for the enterprising. Then there is a word which is meticulous. It is also seen in the academic performance, showing great attention to detail or very careful and precise. For example, कोई भी चीज़ बहुत केयरफुली, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल मैनर में किसी ने तैयार की हो तो आप उसे कह सकते हैं मेटिकुलस. जैसे द डिज़ाइंस आर हैंड ग्लेज्ड विद मेटिकुलस केयर. इन डिज़ाइंस को हाथों से बनाया गया है और बहुत ही केयर से बनाया गया है ताकि कोई भी चीज़ ख़राब ना हो. तो जब आप किसी चीज़ को अटेंशन देते हो डिटेल में या केयरफुली और प्रिसाइजली काम करते हो, that is called as meticulous. The person जो बहुत ही attentively काम करता है और बिल्कुल precise से precise detail रखता है, that is called as meticulous. And the terms which can be used for that is ultra careful, diligent, scrupulous or conscientious. So the good words are conscientious, meticulous and ultra careful. Then there is a word devoted. As you know that everybody is devoted to God these days because we are in a very big problem. So actually the devoted means if the person is very loving or loyal towards something. So you can also use this word to apart from the devoted, you can use loyal, faithful and true blue, staunch, steadfast and constant. For me the good words are true blue and staunch. These are the two words which can be used effectively in place of devoted, and I guess these are good words. So true blue and staunch, they can be used in place of devoted. Then there is a word zealous. Zealous means having or showing zeal. The council was extremely zealous in the application of the regulations. Now what does the zealous means? Similar are you are very passionate about a word. अगर आप किसी चीज़ के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पैशनेट हैं, कमिटेड हैं, डेडिकेटेड हैं, तो यू कैन यूज़ zealous to do that thing. So having or showing zeal for the work is called as zealous or zealous. So these were the top 20 words you can use and add to your daily vocabulary. Please like and share this video if you really like this video, and also do comment me in the comment section what other words we can use for the professional ability apart from these 20 words I have discussed and I have given you with examples, and also the similar words which can be used in place of this. Please subscribe to my channel because this will help you in getting the detail of certain new videos which I upload daily. So have a great day and please stay tuned to my channel.